Vegan Forest Festival is not done in a venue, it's done at our home in Sadhana Forest where we live around the year. So bringing people to our home and just enabling them to know more about the way we live and to hang out in nature.
Veganism is a growing community, especially in India. Just today I saw people talking about, hey, how are you? What's your name? Where are you from? And people connecting.
This festival has been organized and executed solely by volunteers and is offered as a gift where we give and share whatever we can with the mindset of abundance without expecting anything in return.
I really hope that people who come here are touched by something that's happening here that I've never seen anywhere else. Completely unique, it's completely new. It feels very simple and yet so revolutionary.
You can actually feel it in the energy here. Can you feel it like I can?
It's something one of its kind that's happening for the first time.
The food is free for everyone. It's wow, like where do you see that happening,
We get to take care of rescue cows and even brush them.
It's actually celebrating with Mother Earth and nature. Just be around people who care about the environment and the animals. We are on the second day of the festival and loving it already.
None of us, let's be honest, are raised in a vegan environment or society. So all of us here have come from really heavy meat and dairy backgrounds. We're all learning. We are in this journey of exploring how to live a life with less cruelty and more social justice.
Sustainability is one of our core values and it's something we heavily focus on.
To heat the climate or heal the climate. And if all of us decide to heat the climate, it's going to get heated up. This is what's happening now. If all of us decide to heal the climate, it's going to get heated up. It's as simple as that.
None of us are consuming substances. The only substances we're consuming are the ones generated by our own brain because we're getting high off of enjoying being together so much in nature, in this beautiful setting.
The idea was just to create a beautiful space for everybody to enjoy.
If you can take a barren piece of land and in 19 years turn it into a vibrant, beautiful forest where people come from all over the world, from all over India, I can fulfill my dreams also. And fulfilling my dreams doesn't have to cost nature, it doesn't have to cost animals anything. It can be in harmony with animals, it can be in harmony with nature.